Hi guys, good afternoon. Sorry for not taking some video almost 10 days because we have strike in YouTube right now because of we take video of burger in walking street. As for the permission of Angeles City Mayors, we take some paper and we ask them request to have paper to take some video in walking street, but after 1 week we're waiting for that answer. They cannot give us a answer because they don't have permit or don't have rules or law that we cannot take video in walking street. And maybe after 2 days they called to me and they replied to me that not need some paper or you can not take some video because most of people there are talking to mayors not allowed to take video there. So we will take some shoot in walking street in the permitted hours only or 3 hours only in walking street so that we can give you a sample of video in walking street every night in walking street every Saturday or Friday in walking street. Thank you.